Hi, Andy McCarthy here, back with another Tech Talk. We've talked about sound masking a few times, but today I have a special treat for everyone out there. We brought in the Sultan of sound masking, my partner Jeff Johnson. He's going to talk to you a little bit about what sound masking is, do a quick demonstration of one of our systems, and enlighten us all with his vast knowledge. So, Jeff, could you just give a quick overview on what sound masking is and what it's used for, in your opinion?
Yeah, sound masking is the introduction of audio signal into an environment, and with our solution, we use pink noise. And with pink noise, that touches all of the ranges in the vocal octaves. So when you introduce a pressure into an environment, what that does is that it starts to cancel out the other audio waves or helps break them up so that those signals kind of get dispersed around, and it makes it harder to ultimately it makes speech less intelligible in an environment.
That makes sense. Do you want to show a quick demonstration of what it sounds like?
Sure. Obviously you can hear the quiet range in here. If we introduce sound masking into an environment, sound masking doesn't make voice go away. What it does is it interrupts.
Hold on, what do you got there? What's that thing? That looks kind of cool.
Oh, well, this is it's a sound pressure level meter.
Can I sing into it or not?
No. Okay. Well, you can if you want.
All right.
But it won't do anything. But if we take this, and what we do is we go into an environment, we take what we call the noise floor. And when we introduce sound masking, and I'll turn this on here, what'll happen is that you'll see the pressure that's being introduced into this environment.
So if you hear that, it sounds like it's just kind of a calming noise. If you think like a stream running or something like that, a couple things, like Jeff said, it makes speech less intelligible. It also creates kind of like a shushing noise where loud talkers, like maybe myself, naturally will lower their voices when they hear that. So it's just a good way to have a better work environment, healthcare. Keep your patients, keep their information confidential, and also make them feel comfortable about talking about what they have going on health-wise. So, anything you'd like to add, Jeff?
I think it's good for any environment, education, law offices, financial offices, anything like that where personal data is being shared that you don't want other people hearing. Ultimately, it keeps private conversations private.
Perfect. All right. Thank you very much for your time today. That was very informative. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks for watching.